Hello, what's up, cool kids? Welcome back. It's me, Siva Jack, Super Robot King. Quick Digimon update. I'm at Greymon. My sweet Greymon baby right there. Boop, 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 boop. Haven't been walking him as much today, but either way, that's that. But to the main thing I'm waiting for. Got a package, cause time something just fell. Whoops. But yeah, it's from Medicom, all the way from Japan. This I pre-ordered like a year ago, maybe a little longer. But it showed up today, and we're gonna see what it is. So it's Project 16. Yep, there it is. Oh, that's the back. It's Kamen Rider sofubi. Look at that. Let me zoom out a bit. Yeah. Got me a Kamen Rider sofubi. Oh, look at that Kuga awakened white form. Very cool. Yeah, so Medicom's been making a lot of the new Heisei riders. Hope they make a blade. I haven't really checked or followed them recently, so I don't know what they're making right now. But I got Kamen Rider Zo, mainly for the reason that I grew up playing The Great Battle 4 on SNES. So, you know, Kamen Rider Zo, Ultraman Powered, and Gundam V are very dear to my heart. Oh man, look at these leaf textures. These antennae are pretty good. Yeah, this is sick. Look at that. Adjust my lighting. That doesn't help. Let's see, adjust my aperture. There we go. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, that green boy. Yeah, so like most of the time when I see like weird Kamen Rider Zo, oh, look at that. Okay, look at that little. You get the TTI Kamen Rider Zo. Then the Medicom printed on the feet, which is really good. Yeah, this feels like it was hand sculpted. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, look at this. Look at this sweet baby boy. Look at that. So very cool. So yeah. This was actually direct. If you go on Medicom's website, I think some of the links will lead to places that ship internationally. I think I got this on Rakuten. Shipped directly from them. Not 100% sure. But yeah. That's it. Alright. Goodbye.